In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo too many attempts error. So if you're having too many attempts on your Venmo, it will also not allow you to send money anymore. So for this case, what you can do is you can just wait it out for a while. So in here, this user actually had problems sending money through Venmo. And it just head over, and as you can see, they recently changed your password. And as you can see, you can try sending money to a different recipient, and in there, what you can do instead is you just need to wait it out, because in some cases, a too many attempts error happens because of the system checks that Venmo conducts. So if you actually have a lot of options or a lot of times that you actually inputted or performed the same transaction, that may indicate a flag or on the actual Venmo themselves. So you can just wait it out for at least 24 hours. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.